there is progress. And then there's evolution. Extreme evolution. Real glass coat. Extreme performance. Revolutionary technology. Ultimate status. This is real. Real glass coat. Groundbreaking technology with one goal in mind: to create the real thing. To bring out the real beauty. Professionals accept no compromise. The real power awakens. This is real. Real glass coat. Real glass coat, Class R. Extreme repellency. Crystal clear gloss. Real power, real protection. Real glass coat, Class R. Real glass coat, Class H. Incredible sheeting technology. Shuts out dirt and stains. Real power, real beauty. Real glass coat, Class H. Real glass coat, Class M. The pinnacle of gloss enhancement technology. Leaves all onlookers starry-eyed. Witness the presence of the real thing. Real glass coat, Class M. This is real. Real glass coat.